Lifestyle GH. Today we are talking about the realities of reality shows. Impact what the participants are on what do and I say reality shows muno. I for so ben kasepa na wonya so ana ye important mo yete so and for so ben na asa reality shows yi etimi ede ebraye. Abranteɛ your friend Paul Harrision Twumasi. My girls are here. And I know this can hold my accounts. I know your accountant. He said, I'll say, Jai, or Trustini, or Yesini Chani. And I sound so direct. Was sounds so competing our reality show be an air for the next TV star or TV be so. Now, I bet you na kosem kakra experience kakra when you free charge me anymore. And now more mo person mo reality shows they be to say mentor, they be to say Ghana's most beautiful, they be cry to say PM extra, perfect match, they be cry to say date rush in reality shows. What person do who ramuno no who the tuamu ne the corner the eba. And won't come on the eba to say here. For me 2 minutes, but I'm found the Muncio. Now, Yankotie, and you mean free George Dark or the Akotiro for your Coba near to Uncle. So say a quarter tree and come on. The realities of reality shows in Ghana. The impact participants no Omunya, Akenzifono, Omunya, any empo, my Ghana, important why at Tianos, Jumedia or Mudino. For so to drop and pan at the Ebre. Everybody who come work at Crown, I mean, called Jodel. Jodel, a messaging platform. Mostly, some about show no so. I am now football honor, you know, the tour. Tell them, bro, and I show the here, man, in your face. Almost an shout, my main church room once. Anti wiper, oh, La Paz, wiper, or La Paz, or so live. And Kasa and so our Ashi, no better, and Kasa, our Ashi, or not the Nedia, but righteous, our Labadi. 95.1. And Chua and so or Yarifa and Chua, I know you locked on. Well, so I see a friend who waste breaker. Wait, you know, wait to me. Waste breaker, I want to go. I want to know. All right, Weber Parks and Weber Sparks. I'll see your friend up here, Adarkwah. Okay. Tickles and so Shay and Free North K. Tickles. Thanks for joining. Wednesday, please shout out to my boss's son, JC. Today it's his birthday. Okay, so JC, and your birthday. Happy birthday to you. Jemima and so our Mala Mabase. Jemima, thanks for joining. You back on Facebook now. The Facebook for the and so Abba. In the meantime, you know. I have my brother from another mother, Paul Harrision Twumasi. Abranteɛ so no come abeka menza. Paul na say. And I make a Harrision cry.
Ebiako.
Ebiako.
Ye ka twide ne.
And make a Twumasi. Opani Twumasi. Na, anyone would say?
Na me dey ache, ye ho ye den say obo no.
Obo ho den.
Eh,
sir.
E body din di we.
Say inso be obo den. Obo dey team. All right, so you share check akra.
Say eja. Na mo hwehwe na so no ya to mo he de ne ya to am.
Oh. I saw the music I can show up how. Oh, me who want say ache.
Ya ba de ne aba.
All right. Eti and a discussion, you know. Me from my buy because what call sir a competition in movie paying. I mean you've been a part of a reality show before. And we want to say, experience kakra. And I was so a trust in a direct sini ni adi. Now, before that, I don't know your accounting.
Me enjoy accounting. Me can say another field of frame.
Okay.
Me enjoy accounting.
To that room. And you may be a back, Dubai, Qatar, Honor baby. I say, and if I can Saudi Arabia, about more than $4 million a month.
Said I can me enjoy accounting. You may be not frame me. The accounting sound frame yeah.
Okay. Mekayo say we are live on Facebook. Wait me about Facebook Live now. What there were comments about come on you know. For comments, brah. If you've been a part of a reality event, be a experience, be a no. Fabre. Harrison, I didn't account what what if you what is say next TV star Jimmy Air Koso and I says our program the Air Koso no, and we are doing this not to indict anybody or the program or whatever. It's a general something we are discussing, and if you listen. I was a man for the realities involved. The one what if you feel say be actually everything is rosy. And you know, we be cry to me ko ye be a enu kwan so ye not no ho akohyem. But when ya entiase na nkyerɛkyerɛ ne a aya na hard pa. Enti wo ti fie na what say ye body ro so ye bibi sa no. I didn't know ho akohyem. What pushed you?
Okay. My fan is saying because I love acting.
Okay.
And then I do the director. I say, introduction, okay. Yeah. So I have this love for TV. Let me put it that way. So I had the passion. Say, I would one day want to be part of a reality show.
Okay.
TV. Acting TV so okay. So if I'm into acting then why don't I join a reality show? The platform is already there. TV so now acting
okay.
Reality show okay. So why don't I take this opportunity and pounce on it? So that is what drove me from that point.
Okay. And you say be now show on TV so I fair on TV so now you fair into but because already now sir field no but na unya nyakonya na obeba mainstream say TV so na
Exactly.
Now, process no. Now it's saying we started say I don't know how it went for you, but how did it start for you?
Okay, so let me start from the auditioning process. What people don't understand mostly.
Okay.
The conform be enter and say fiti prekope na on ba TV so.
Okay.
You go through a process. You get it. And you know, obeko auditions enye baako ebi am you know ebu ha emiensa. It depends on which reality show it is.
Yeah.
Obeko ansa na yafa. So I got to know of this and I wanted to be part. So I got to the audition grounds and
Ugusuka
okay, to me come be ana ye audition no. And it was fire because enkofo bebre wo ho omo nyina so epesa akwanya bi e de aba TV so abeka part of the program no. And you know na it wasn't easy na enough for me sir because uhun kofo bebre a omo nyina with the same passion obi enya obeba TV so na enye obi anso na benya sa akwanya no aba TV so nipa kakra bi pe na yepe na wo hwe nipa be 700 or 800 na ye be select mu nipa be 16 pe amamba TV so you can feel that pressure on you. Say Charlie, SME baby ebe impress judges. Ama yetimi select me. I can't say for 16 ebe TV. So enough from easy.
Not very challenging for you. So that was you can so you have to go through a process. Audition, bremo, better to normally at the day because sometimes tension normally at the idea film no. Fire film kakra. What challenges ben now we encounter a brand now. You know, start from the audition stage. Even crowd from the time of free fear what they chrono.
Okay. My main fan is saying, day na make audition no. Me didn't come by the first day. Ne 2 days on my audition no. It's me by first day no. Na say my bantem. Tina o mama number say we are. It's not say tension. I better say hey. Ne ochine say me bantem because time me dey buy ne me nya number there. I mean say be sorry how much number bantem.
Yeah.
Into the next day no.
So that's how much sorry crowd.
Hey, I woke up very early, very early. And you know before that day no so no you have to. Have something you're coming to present.
Yeah.
You don't just wake up now so you must say my boy auditioning. Unim say bibi na and it was related to TV, so any can say journalism.
Okay.
So you have to practice some so bibi on sana obaneka say yeah. And you know before I came I had to practice even the night before and I do not understand they be mama bano. Me sorry na me
bibi now yeah.
Okay me kwant me ka say umbisa me kwahua say na me ka no me kwa minjina say menye say ni say. So I had to go through some hours of rehearsal on my own and sana me sorry how much asamba audition grounds no.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now we do hormones no hu nipa dom no.
Unim de na mama come 2 years. You know, I haven't really been, and yes, I haven't been near media that.
Okay.
And you know, this is about journalism. So you have people are media school.
Yeah.
You know, the phone, na me I make it accounting backgrounds. Me babeshe, you know, media
from journalism.
Yeah. So I was quite tense, but I encouraged myself because I went in basically for experience. And to expose myself.
Okay.
Yes. So I wanted to challenge myself. Said, this is not my field. Yes, I perfectly understand that. But I want to take up this challenge. Now, me challenge me. I say, it is not my field. You know, Jata and Chia boy, you in the comfort zone. O tuano.
Yeah.
And son watching. So why don't I chase this deer or this animal and catch it outside my comfort zone? So I went to basically to experience it and to challenge myself.
Now feel so baby.
Okay, so I say me call life may beside me the same question. And I say I am here to do my best to win.
Okay.
But when I say my baby winner, yes, people think say it's the right way because you want to
encourage yourself.
Yes.
I'll show who cry and say, look, you be able to win.
But I told it blank say, you know, this is a reality show. I have to respect everyone on the show. Obi abaso baby winning. So if I just say, okay, me baby winning, yes, people will say that. People do say that. But then I have to respect my other contestants. So I hope I will win, but I have to prove myself to win.
To win it.
Yeah.
Many Paul Harrision Twumasi. So we share on Facebook. Now you'll be out Tasha TV. I'm sure say we share TV last year. No more no more. Na Ottawa so. And Sati TV na many million na was Sati TV so. I na me so be kasa badge na or me yes competition no. And both of us are products from that you kind of saying competition, you know. Into your reality show, na everyone say I can't see you my dear a man for ba a better on bobre na ye dear or born homewarding na ye channel I hinche
Pepe.
But if we must back a car say and yes son it here. They sure said before I said I will rasa competition you know. Now what it be so you see reality shows no one is car come ya only connection untimi nkom eno me ade ade bibisa na watete bisa pen na ade na what san ma watete nyina na empusu still na we say you go through the process like you're saying
at statiti na keka de so udi akira you can't pursue what you want to achieve in life obetiti bebre but how is it on the grounds like say ankasa na etie so so dem di kaka I went to experience it myself
okay
matete say etie let me go in and see how it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Aside next TV star Jimedino, not what core competition you would dana. I don't see a live event, reality live event about TV so that's even radio so.
Now we could be
I don't know first
that
time.
Was my first time, yeah.
I don't know what to say reality shows and real or kind of reality shows real sir. Over corner say you only do we need that and there. When you had a chance call through the process, the audition, because I was part 2 auditions. I mean, now it's me FM. You're boarding among the 16 people now. I'm fire, you know. I will run a competition, you know. Your first 1 week, not experience. Let's say now in seminar what to or assume say, hey, so now they say you're real, no, so you're real, so no. Now it was saying.
Okay, let me take it this angle. I was thinking, say, since it was a live show and it was recorded live. And life, you know, we would have got enough preparation before that. I mean, that first day, but then it didn't come that easy. Even on the first day, it was quite challenging.
But so Kachino.
Okay, if I say that didn't kind of cry, no. Now, yeah, I'm fan of hungry, so not if you say, oh, and then the first day, and then they didn't kind of, you know, and can they be mere formalities, be now, but best you be introduced, so home, can be chair, then I person watch you through this program, and I be, but even on the first day in the crowd, yeah, I'm fan easy, sir. So it was like, oh, okay, this is not a joke as people think it is. And yeah, groovy keke we are in for the show. Okay. Yaba. Yeah.
Eti tama talk also. I think that would be 7 to 8 weeks.
No, maybe 10 weeks.
10 weeks, yeah. Great. 10 weeks. That's like 2 months and 2 weeks. And that form. Now it's saying, what's that? And they Ghana had him say, yeah, reality events be they are judge for betnemu. Ne ama afoforo bi nso ato aba. And no money ade. Say sana reality events and even our awards program is mostly it's being judged by a certain board. Now a man for so at the mwabi via vote and abato at the attachment. Oh, competition now a first time now come no. Now when you say sana be now when you say oh corner akwa bibi akwa kira obobre ama impenifaka so wona wadi bem wona wadi nkunim tino ye de ahenche no show anase na onim say wo koi ye be na amanfo bi entuatua sika bi ne yemfa nto aba emfa ma.
Okay, my friend is saying, me remone de na me nim how sa process na me nim say there e be kwafa na me nim say okay we no omode say be sika na tua eto aba no anase we the judges keke na ye bet na wana oh okay we ya ade ntino my yemfa ahenche no enhye we I didn't really know the line they were going to tow before I went into the program. It me remo no and so I'm say okay so judges be take your decision but then people would have to vote for you to push you through the competition. Yeah.
Okay. Now since I was I experience no would you say san say e yenwana I can't be so no would you say san say e yenwana I mean I'm making it very easy for you.
To be frank with you it is not right. It is so wrong. Why do I say this? The intermaker say fane say kwaku akwa join the competition way. Sebio ofri fia emunhye da enye de. E bia me ko ofri ne kras na fe na waba akra hofra oni obiti. Ba owo sa odono ni opene se opeso ye bibi anka susu ampa se eye modern monko na ye de hwa anka kwaku ne be wini. Na so me kan na akwasi if ebusun emu ede akwasi papa oska na mama oska ye betimi ato let's say 5,000 vote amano na sorry for betimi ato 15,000 amano na for betimi ato be 80,000 amano now so no hwe a modern ma kwasi da na dia enti se de kwaku da na di no anka kwaku na nke se win competition but because as ye de sika e push it's more than the reality, the performance of the persons in it. You know? It doesn't really bring out who should have been the actual winner. So I think, judging it based on performance will be the best way to go. Yeah.
Now, Obi Mr. Makika say, yeah, said a working ya, and can know, and I bear a quampa, a worthy timidi near Odi kind near the Ahinchano at the Eshano. Now, so Mokika say, Medina and you're free. Idea production I don't know. It's so much musica Eddie Eremu. So what you say?
You're free, be jitum sa. Now, so no answer na jumedi bia beba bonten no. You should share sponsors. And also bebo jumedi na chidom. And you know, if you are coming up with a live program which is going to be on TV, I suppose say as a obo humodin na utiminya sponsors are a bit me also program ma enye say oh about to uncle for better no and they push it into the program. Into ya to about this week nothing goes on and I say ya to about na program na akofam Debbie you have to fight behind the scene namunya sponsors so that the program becomes big and everyone enjoys the program and not robbing Peter to people. That is so wrong.
Okay, me can say and come to tree and yam na me better tracer and come emotional flyer na echegu social media na ahodo na me can say or oba first son or your beauty queen no na me need to find a crown number because beauty queen dey kai Cinderella kai kan we na ke so na ke hu so we don maka say bia say bia oton eyi wo makula na yakofo na betra no ahofe no crack kire wo other part to say but bear me mic like ben more we say you for no rubber for no do am fi atena se cry
gentility ni do
stress that is saying I thought watch it. But I mean, me catch plain
traffic.
But more let's take a camera. And now the ben mic no debris. Okay. Until you find traffic in Rome.
Traffic in soon.
Any soon. But Abranteɛ won't be for soon traffic in excuse you. No dear. Into I saw compensating me producer. Well, $2,000. I bet you. It's here for many Emily for sure entry or a general nursing officer. That's or your nurse ni. I know. You just a bit me I walk rack. I know sounds a beauty queen. Miss Lifestyle GH right. 2022. Yeah. 2022. And I'm in 2023 and 2022.
I think they'll be 2023.
Okay, so I think I'll be hand over. Yeah. Eddie I'm before. Nti ono so aye abawa so no a oye nurse ni a ode ne ho ekowura eye sa akansi adwumadie mu ana wo hwehwe oba so no ede ahenche no ebehye no na mebusa no otifie na onyam enkowura sa competition ni mu no na send no si hu reality shows yo ahodo bebre yo ahodo bebre yo miss hwan yo miss this miss that Mr. this and yo anyom to nso reality shows yo pageantries and so honom e dey nti na e ma wo de wo hu ko wura sa pageantry reality event ni mu no
me hwe mani so ade hu ana me wo eni baby ara mpese medidura me hwehwe na pageantry no ene okwan pa na me fa so edi me bi wie baby a me pese meduru no
okay
because se ure mu a eho emfaso na wunya no edoso
okay
inti se me hwa eno na bebo me ma matuma ye de me pese me ye no inti na ma me kura pageantry no mo
o kan na o pese wo sisu se na ohun ni se ebia na wone even so na onim the way emfa ye nane ense nyin keche emfa nsa otonyom betimi asan so kakraka ho ende asan de nye ba nyom to no aha ntika wo fuse nyanka obetimi a akọ anyom to akansie mu but na wo hwa wo de wanim dua na ho fe no edi wura pageantry mu na beboa and no na betimi aboa wo ama de opese ye no waye that's what you're saying
every reality show biane ye wo training na ye de delegates no fam ba me hwe enyom to ne afoforo ne de na omo training na ye de omo be fam na omo ntete no eye soronko chen
de pageantry no
nti se wo hwe weni so ade hu de na wo yi de wo hwe be bo na wakọ
nti na wo de won ko share pageantry ni mu no na otifie na anso na be na de na otete efa reality shows ho a empusu ama won suro say matete say o ko hono mo ahwe e ma no kra hu boba no na ya yo be 40 o kra na ya jeun ska nyina adi ni nyina me so tete bi then e dey na push you still now so there be won fita obekọ
in life if you have a dream now wo butaye menti de obika
okay
so wo na de o ye na bebo wa koso na ye de nipa na ka no ono no ni dreams nko ne aspirations nko
okay
inti wo de wo ye na bebo a wo no sa nipa na obu abam no no akọ na siw yi a obe congratulate you en siw yi afo ani wo ne beda
okay
eno nche se ya brabo na wie koso na ko ya me bebie kwan pa bi ama inti me personally no me de obi be e ka na ya na nhyeda mfa me ho sa
okay enti mo for best as men frita ana owrem no na process net saying Harrision chere so no auditions mienu ansa na owrem auditions do say na ko mu gina ha en Saturday way what ni ma ben na you know you do remu ansa na competition kese na nkasa kensi kese na nkasa e be hwase ama obedi mu nkunimi
ya menchadom we go you through the registration your age range or fall to our qualify and your lifestyle so e ka ho kakra nti say bi o ho e ko share social media ne ma bi a o posting e se ne o mo hyehyɛ ne nkoya some way somehow no e bitimi affect you but me we mo make first audition no e ne fama me nti me no man shada umbrella
okay na say no na wasie se ho asie social media ye kama animu na efe body no so ye kama na wo koye no so de ye share wo say ye no so ye na kama enu nti no one mre like one
say abrabo na nka say ka bibi say baby a wo pese wudru no ne ma bi wo ho a wo ya onim set da chi bi wudru ho a onye proud of I don't do it
okay
nti no de wo ye no baby a wo pese wudru de wo ye no wo hwe na da chi bi ekotwemba now you be proud of akoso na ye nti me no I have some base rules for myself nye bibia na me ye
okay
sometimes yeah people feel some difficult but obia ne philosophy or the nam
okay maybe so simple question we say it may be complicated but it's for me it's simple ura asaj medi ni mo no aboa wo kwan bi so na
aboa me wa kwan bebre so
fa so ben wanya free saj medi ade ho ko shey
eno so na medite ha na odi nkomoyi
okay
though me were confident no but not minim how I made to be the AP me re mu no a build me a church me kwan ya obefa so aye we even my friends be bra me ne omo na mo nim say oh Emily de na no ate or you say but odi me koja be bia me ho be wo so sesie but me re mu no aboa ayi ohu ene fere ne ne marketing kiti bia free me mu
okay
and na me susu ye ne me can say me dreams and me was say me dey give back to me community ni so no aboa me amene san hyehyɛ ni nyina egu kwan a me di eboa afofro ene obi a like or person ko school so ni sa ahoboa no.
Okay.
Now in my power and I have opportunity to say me MOB scholarship on so bet me dey go school. Inti aboa me.
Oh, MOB scholarship.
I want to dey go school.
Na ya mo ska bebre pa.
Yeah, mam.
What's school there? Since I'm $2,000.
That's one of the opportunities that come me up with.
Okay.
Because program we have sponsors, and there was a school on board. A school on board almost so no so opese will be bar.
Okay.
Obit me abano abe sia de opese o sia free.
And no nya kun ebe ba o wudin mu.
So oba o medin mu.
Okay.
Omo bit me the amount.
Okay. Into bit me aka say dwumedi ado ho kwehye mu no wan moka.
Ma moka.
Say ye to aba no ma enmini ade de. Ye to aba, ye to so aba eno mo eni ade. Ugidi say aba no ye to wo so no ena ma wodi nkunim na say wo modern bo ena ma wodi nkunim.
Say most of the time your mouth tax. Say wutumi ya o modern bo and judgment ya na ni nyina engina wa ba ye to so. Your lifestyle.
Okay.
How fast you are with things, into say judges for ni bu or modie na aba no so de ne de beka ho a eno na ya yegina so edi bu nkonta nye say aba na ye to no nko so na yegina dibu.
Okay. Entino enya aba no nko a.
Enya aba no nko.
Na wo gidi pa ye say enya aba no nko, anya aba no na ma wo timi bedi nko nemu no ene ye bia oda na di wo ho no ne ade. Me
ka sanye abano but me ka sanye eno
nko a. Okay, Harrison. NTS. Eden into so papa bi di abere wa bra bo ana. Ene potemu a wote no ede na ifa so na potemu fo nya a wo sa adwumedie so.
Okay. Mama fa me ankasa me ho
experience yeah. But only bibi sadly your time na yaso.
Okay.
Sadly.
Okay. Mama fa me ankasa me ho. You know, getting this on your portfolio said there now my sister can it is because of this competition I'm here and I may share my experience. Okay. So having that experience I went in for that experience and I believe that I really had that experience, both the positives, both the negatives, both the sicknesses, both the insults, both, everything is mixed together. Okay. That is the experience I got when I went in. You get it? So the experience is so great that I can stand anywhere and share it at any point in time, both negative and positive. And then the confidence you get when you get on, because Ujina Live TV, so cameras say show, judges to a judge, kasana anko ya baby sound question. You have to learn everything. Feet, we ask you just a peanut, and you have to you have to produce all the answers at a go. So, sir, can I say, show so na. Nama wadwin enye adwuma it really pushed me to think deeper whilst I'm on my feet, you know. And then one thing I say, it gave me beautiful people like yourself, like Tracy, like Siao, like you know, all these people. Sounds a very beautiful soul. Right. Anyway, so you know. Sa nkofo nyina nipa omaba mabra wo ma I can confidently say it's really benefited me, trust me.
Okay, and you know, unfortunately no time news amaka a year ko you know e dey na be catch afofro bi a won mo abonten a won mo anusade hu ni say wonya yanka won so don hu bewura reality shows yi mu nanso matete titire man no say share man no cost wa directors and producers no yeah bury your fala e be sanso juicy kan na ready anaso boso a uniska untimi nko banim. They make catch on say, you know, competition no TV so fair, ding. Now so no it may not be just as you watch it on TV. The mimiko it was quite difficult than we thought. Okay.
And to know me a program where some prepare yourself, do your homework, practice, learn more about the program, know what the program is about. I mean, don't just go, excuse my language, empty-headed. So you'll be made a fool on TV. So get prepared. If you know that competition, this kind of tour, now one can show so say the you know, reality shows comes with a lot of disappointment. You get it. So you have to be prepared physically, mentally, in your pocket wise.
And pocket wise.
It is very.
Emily. Pa say yentim no nin komo bebre but so my hu me dey na be ka kire afoforo a mo ba on person mo wura competition bi musa no
we dem say your brother na kan nyina ba ka kam de be kan on say ure ma more investigation because most of the reality shows nyina na register.
Okay.
Inti so bi ho ko radio in register enum na ankoya amana na say or they abeffect the world reality show ni nyina say ni nyina ne say neti inti ye won hwehwe mu yi ne hu ne wu komu fo na boa wo ho so say na e brother ne kan because send that from
Oye. Hey, Oba in say it okay, that's nice. Emily, Miss Lifestyle Ghana 2022, right? On find the crown number. And Harrison, Paul Harrision, Twumasi, so next TV star contestant with the 10 weeks room or quarter finalist, me boy.
Yeah.
Quarter finalist. All right, see, comments, Kakra, Cheba for Martin. So I'm watching you from Adanse Nyankomase. Keep the good work by Sir Martin. Benjamin Agbevanu say, I see my man. Is it Harrison? Owusu Dixon say, MTN credit. Clara Hagan said, God bless you for doing a great job. Abbas Zakari. What he need say, keep up the good work. Big ups to you, Harrison. Harrison, you need to come out. Much love for Harrison. Twumasi. Just a sister Million Bantam into the fans. From Abranteɛ Fiifi Adarkwah, yɛkɔfa kaseɛ ɛde abrɛ wɔ nyame adom a nkɔmɔ yi wo sɛ mmerɛ no ntimi anwetwe ansi Emily bɛsan atwe ne biem bebe wɔ bi bɛsan atwe no bɛba ntɛm na yɛtumi ayɛ ne yie nyame adom a dasa ne bɛsan so ahyia biem mesrɛ wo deɛ na ɔka yɛ no nipa mɔkyɛw efie na mo yegu nkrɔfoɔ gata mu ne adade no mu nya nsuo totɔ na mo ni mu hu ni